Elon Musk says Teslas are too expensive. It's not often that a CEO will tell you that his company's products are too expensive.
Yeah.
You got to appreciate that. He goes on there, speaks his mind, and for better, for worse. Some people like it, some people don't.
Well, he should tell us the real expense of making the car.
I'm sure he would. I'm sure he
should.
would, because they haven't been all that profitable. So he'll say it's too expensive to make, too expensive to sell, too expensive for customers, all the rest of it. He said his stock was too expensive. And then what happened? The stock got more expensive. So now the car price goes up because he said it was, no, I'm just kidding. No, he's got a point here. He wants to bring down the price. He also feels like they need a different model, according to a couple quotes I've probably taken off his Twitter. It's important to make the car affordable. Like, the thing that bugs me the most about where we are right now is that our cars are not affordable enough. We need to fix that. This may have come from his interview with the New York Times. I'm not sure where this originated, but they're opening this gigafactory in Berlin. And as you're probably aware, Will, the style of car that's popular in Europe, not exactly the same as here in North America. People gravitate towards smaller cars more frequently. A lot of the subcompact cars that were popular here for a short period of time, not as popular. And then now they're going, I'm talking the really small cars, you know, and now they left the market because people long-term didn't really gravitate towards them. Bigger roadways, giant highways, bigger parking lots.
Yeah.
You know how it goes. Bigger beverages. When you head to the McDonald's, you order the large.
Big gulp.
Yeah. Bunch of big gulps. So he was saying, well, we got this gigafactory now. Maybe what we do is we come in, we design a hatchback. So real compact. Maybe we call it the Model 2. He didn't say that, but they said that here on Inside EVs, which would make a lot of sense. You got room for a Model 2, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
And you could imagine a demand for that. You bring the cost down more than the Model 3. Model 3 is not a small car. It's actually pretty spacious. We were in it. It's not terrible. So maybe there is a step down from that you can do, trim back maybe a little bit of the tech to bring the price down and really do the mass market thing that Elon has wanted to do. He keeps saying we're bringing the price down. The 3 definitely got it down, but he wants to go even further. And maybe the European market is the right place to experiment with that. We'll see what develops. Cheaper Tesla. I mean, who's not looking for that?